I'm going to share the screen because I forgot to share the screen. Okay, you are able to see now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A capsule in the shape of a cylinder. So we now have a capsule in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. So here is one capsule. It's in the shape of a cylinder. Okay, with two hemispheres stuck to each end. This is R, same R. Again, this is R. This is H. This is also R. And the length of the entire capsule is 12 mm. Diameter of the capsule is 3 mm. So this whole thing is 3 mm. So this is 3 by 2 mm. Radius equal to 3 by 2. How much radius equal to 3 by 2? Now that means this is also 1.5. This is also 1.5. 3 by 2, no 1.5. So take away 1.5, then you have this is equal to 9 mm. Understand?
Yes,
The
sir.
1.5 go 1.5. So 12 minus 1.5 minus 1.5. Okay, that is equal to 9 mm. That is the height. If the radius of the cylinder is 6 centimeter, no. If the length of the entire capsule is 12 mm, the diameter of the capsule is 3 mm, how much medicine can hold? That means he's asking for the combined volume. Okay, that means you have to take the volume pi r squared h of the cylinder plus 2/3 pi r cubed of this one. This is V2. This is V1. This is V3. Plus again 2/3 pi r cubed. That is R is the same. So pi and R you can have the same. Pi r squared is the same. Okay, H plus this is becoming 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay, because 2/3 plus 2/3 4/3 pi r cubed plus pi r squared into H. H plus 4/3 R. Okay, so pi into R is 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into H is 9 plus 4 by 3 into 3 by 2. That is equal to pi into 9 by 4 into 9 plus 2 is what? 11 into 11. This 99 by 4 pi. This is the answer. Now, if you want to convert that into what do you call that? Decimal places, then 99 into 22 by 7 by 4. This will go 2 times 11. Okay. So 99 into 11 is equal to 99 plus 990. 1089. Okay. Top is numerator is 1089. Denominator is 14. 2 into 7. This is equal to 14. That is equal to 1089. So what you have to do? 1089 divided by 14. In 1 it won't go. In 10 also it won't go. In 108, 14 will go. 14 into 7, 28, 1, 98 will go. Okay, so 7 it will go. So this is 0, this is 1, 10 is remaining. In 10 it won't go. Okay, so you have to bring down 9. So in 109 it will go again 7 times, 98. So 77. Okay, this is 1. And then again 1, 11. So bring down 0. Take 1 0 here, 11.0. In 110 also, it will go in 110, 14 into 8. 32 and 8, 9, 10, 11. So just like that, actually 7.78 like that. If you round it off, it becomes 77.8. Okay, round it off, 77.8. So 99 by 4 pi is equal to 77.8 millimeter cube. That's the answer. You got it? So nothing big deal, only calculation. What is the difference? இது வந்து 12 mm கொடுத்துட்டான் இல்லையா? இது வந்து 3 mm diameter, 3 by 2 mm. So this area, this one has become 3 by 2 mm. That means in a hemisphere, this also become 3 by 2 mm. That is 1.5 mm. So இதுல இருந்து ஒரு 1.5 mm தூக்கணும், இதுல இருந்து ஒரு 1.5 mm தூக்கினா மொத்தமா 3 mm தூக்கினா இது 9 mm ஆயிடும் இந்த இடம். அவ்வளவுதான். இதை முடிச்சிட்டீங்கன்னா கால்குலேஷன் ரொம்ப சிம்பிள். இது வந்து சிலிண்டருடைய வால்யூம். ஸோ பை ஆர் ஸ்கொயர்டு ஹெச் எடுத்துக்கணும். இது வந்து ஹெமிஸ்பியருடைய வால்யூம் 2/3 பை ஆர் ஸ்கொயர் கியூப். இதுவும் ஹெமிஸ்பியருடைய வால்யூம் 2/3 பை ஆர் கியூப். இந்த ரெண்டு ஆரம் சேமா இருக்கிறதுனால 4/3 பை ஆர் கியூப் நம்ம எடுத்துக்கலாம். நம்ம அப்படி இது பண்ணிட்டு அதுல இருந்து பை ஆர் ஸ்கொயர்டு வந்து காமனா இருக்குது, வெளியே தூக்கினா ஹெச் பிளஸ் 4 பை ஆர். தென் ஒன்லி கால்குலேஷன். ஓகே, வெரி சிம்பிள் சம். Very simple sum. இந்த சம்லாம் வந்ததுன்னா you should attempt it immediately. In 5 minutes you can finish it off. Okay. I'm going to copy and paste it in your WhatsApp now. Okay. Now let us do the next sum. இப்போ என்ன பண்ணி முடிச்சோம்? 5th sum பண்ணி முடிச்சோம். நம்ம 6th sum பண்ணலாம். இது ஏற்கனவே you have already done something like this in the last example you worked out. So this will be very easy. It will be very easy. As shown in the figure, a cubical block of side 7 centimeters is surmounted by a hemisphere. Find the surface area of the solid. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So என்ன இருக்குது? ஏற்கனவே இந்த சம்மை நம்ம பண்ணியிருக்கோம். இதனுடைய okay. So side L is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, that means this diameter is equal to 7 centimeter. So R is equal to 7 by 2. That's all you found out. This whole thing is 7 centimeter, right? This whole thing is 7 centimeter. So R is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter for the hemisphere. Find the surface area of the solid. The surface area of cube, you know already, 6 into L squared. Usually you write 6A squared. Okay, you can write that also. Either way you can write. So 6 into 7 squared. Okay, that is the
Okay, sir.
PSA of the cube. What should be minus from that? This area should be minus. Okay, because that is not present. Okay, so minus pi r square. Then what is the surface area? CSA of the hemisphere. So 6 into 7 squared minus pi into r squared we found out is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 plus CSA of the hemisphere. What is the 2 pi r squared is the formula for CSA of hemisphere, right? 4 pi r squared for sphere, 2 pi r squared. So you can write plus 2 pi r squared. You can write minus pi r squared. So 2 pi r squared minus pi r squared is equal to plus pi r squared. That's all. 6 into 7 squared plus pi into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Okay. So now you can take 7 into 7 common, 1 by 6 plus pi into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Okay. 49 into 1/6 plus pi by 4. That is the that is 49 into, take 12 as the LCM, into 2 will be 2. Okay, into 3 into 3, so 3 plus 3 pi. 49 by 12 into 49 into 2 plus 3 pi by 12. Okay, that will be the answer with the pi. But if you have to remove the pi, then you have to do something else. So what you have to do? That is equal to 49 into 2 plus 3 into 22 by 7 divided by 12. 49 by 12 into 3 2 plus 66 by 7. That is equal to 49 by 12 into 14 plus by 7. So by 7 into 66 by 7. Common. Let us take 7 as LCM. So 1 into 7 into 7 is 14. Into 7, 66. So if you continue the calculation, it becomes 49 by 12 into 14 plus 66, 66, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80 by 7. This will go 7 times. 12, this is 40. Again, this is 3 by 20. 7 into 20 is 140 by 3. Something has gone wrong. 3 0 3 0. No, something has gone wrong. Let us this is equal to 6 into 7 squared plus 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Okay. When you do like that, 6 into 49 plus this will go 11. 11 into 7 is 77 by 2. Okay, so you multiply 12 into 49 plus 77 divided by 2. That's what you should get. 49 into 12, 2, this is 98. This is 49, 8, 18, 588. Okay, so 588 plus 77. 8 plus 7, 15. Again 8 plus 7, 15 plus 1, 16. 665. Okay, 77 by 2. That is equal to 665 by 2. That is equal to 332.5. Okay, because it is a centimeter, is the answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now we should not have. So this is also a very simple sum. What is the thing you have to do? You have to imagine. In the so 6a squared இருந்து இந்த ஒரு இது வந்து pi r squared. இதை வந்து நம்ம subtract பண்ணணும். அப்புறம் அந்த ஹெமிஸ்பியர் உடைய you have to add the volume of the hemisphere. I mean surface area of the hemisphere. CSA of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r squared. Only TSA is equal to 6 pi r squared. So you won't use this formula. You will just use this formula. So plus pi r 2 pi r squared minus pi r squared plus 6l squared. Totally required area is equal to, yeah, plus 2 minus 1. அப்போ 6l squared plus pi r squared ஆகிடும். அவ்வளவுதான் முடி வச்சு இதை மாத்திரம் வச்சுட்டு then calculations குள்ள enter ஆக வேண்டியதுதான், வேற ஒண்ணும் இல்லை. I'm going to post this also for you. Okay, simple straightforward sums.
Okay, sir.
அந்த இமேஜினேஷன்ல கரெக்டா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப் பிடிச்சிட்டோம்னா அதுக்கப்புறம் போயினே இருக்க வேண்டியதுதான். Then seventh sum, a right circular cylinder. A right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius. Let us do this sum. It's also a very interesting sum. It's not working. What happened? It's taking slow. Okay, chilling a right circular cylinder.
Okay, sir.
Is enclosing exactly inside it a sphere. Okay, இதுக்குள்ள வந்து ஒரு ஸ்பியர் இருக்கு. Understand?
Yes, sir.
There is a sphere inside a right circular cone. This radius of the sphere is r. Calculate the surface area of the sphere. Surface area of the sphere எவ்வளோ? There is no CSA, TSA for sphere. There is only surface area.
Yes, sir.
4 pi r squared. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So first one is 4 pi r squared. Then the curved surface area of the cylinder. இதனுடைய CSA கேக்குறான். இதனுடைய CSA, the cylinder உடைய CSA. CSA of the cylinder is asking.
2 pi RH, sir.
இப்போ இதனுடைய ஆமா 2 by RH 2 pi RH ரைட்டா. இப்போ H எவ்வளோ எப்படி கண்டுபிடிப்பேன்? H கொடுக்கல. H is equal to how much? This is 1 hour, this is another hour, right? இங்க ஒரு hour, இங்க ஒரு hour. So H is equal to 2 hour. முடிஞ்சு போச்சா? So
Yes, sir.
what you have to do? 2 pi R into 2 R. So 2 pi into 2 into R squared. That is 4 pi R squared. So surface area வந்து இவ்வளோ, cylinder உடைய area வந்து curved surface area இருக்கும். இது வந்து second one. Third one, what is asking? The ratio of the areas obtained of 1 and 2. 4 pi R squared is to 4 pi R squared. It is nothing but 1 is to 1. Because 4 pi R squared divided by 4 pi R squared is equal to 1 by 1. Okay, so ratio is 1 by 1 matter. So very simplest of the sums. Okay, exercise 7.3, 7th sum. If it comes, you attempt it very much, very simple sum. Okay, I'm
Okay,
posting that in your let us do any more sum left. So exercise 7.3 over. Let us now go to 7.5 section. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now here you are having conversion of solid from one shape to another with no change in volume. That means you are taking a cuboid and converting it into a cylinder. Same volume. So both the first volume will equal to second volume. Then if you after that you have to make some calculation and find the missing element. That's all. This is what they are saying here is okay. There will be one volume 1 that will be, let us say, of a cylinder. Then there will be volume 2 that will, let us say, that is of a cone. The cylinder is made into a cone. Then what you do? Pi R squared H is equal to 1/3 pi R2 squared H2. Like that you have to do. Then pi you cancel and all of that, and they will ask, they'll give some more information so that you will either have to find H1 or H2 or R1 or R2, like that. That's all. Okay. Basically, two different, one solid will be cast into another solid. So always you have to write first volume equal to second volume. V1 is equal to V2. That you will always have to assume. So first formula equal to second formula. From there, the one element will be missing. You have to find that by taking it to other end like that. That's all. Okay. So conversion is normally happening in jewel shop. They'll take a bar of gold and convert it into jewel, right? Similarly, a kid playing, that sound coming in my house. No, the upper floor, these fellows are doing interior design, constantly making some sound. For example, a goldsmith mills a bar of gold to transform it to a jewel. Then a kid is playing with clay shapes. Okay, he's taking a ball of clay and making it into different toys. Okay, so same volume, it becomes different shapes with same volume. Then carpenter uses the wooden logs to form different household articles or furniture. Okay, so same piece of wood, but it is arranged in different way to get a different furniture. So again, volume is changing. So in the same way, conversion of solids from one shape to another is required for various purposes. Okay, so that is what we are going to learn here. Example 7.29 is the first one we are going to learn here. Example 7.29. Let us do that in our workspace. A metallic sphere of radius 16 centimeters
Okay, sir.
R equal to 16 centimeter. What is the volume of the sphere? 4/3 pi r cube. It is recast into 12 small spheres. Into small spheres, each of radius 2 centimeter. Let us say then this is big R. 16 centimeter. 4/3 into pi into 16 into 16 into 16. This is volume 1. Now it is recast into small spheres. What is the radius? 2 centimeter. Volume 2 of each small sphere is equal to again 4/3 pi into r cubed. 4/3 into pi into r is how much now? 2 into 2 into 2. So how many such small spheres will get? Divide V1 by V2. Number of spheres, small spheres. Very simple. So 4/3 pi into 16 into 16 into 16 divided by 4/3 pi into 2 into 2 into 2. This 2 will cancel out. Each will become 8, 8, 8. That is equal to 8 into 8 into 8. 64 into 8. That is equal to 512. So 512 small spheres you will get. That is the answer. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So this also I'm going to copy and paste it. Okay, you have it in your textbook, but we have done it in a different way. So we will. There is no one way to do it. Huh? You can do it in many different ways. Okay, that problem over. Very simple, no?
Yes, sir.
Now we'll do another example. We'll work out. Example 7.3. Example 7.30. There is a cone. It's modeling clay cone. Okay, its height is H, R, L. Okay, we don't need a L and R. Height is 24 centimeter. A child reshapes it in the form of a cylinder of same radius as cone. It's made into a cylinder. Radius is same. This R is equal to this R. Okay. What is
sir.
telling? Find the height of the cylinder. Let's take this is H1. What is H2 is asking. Okay. So that means volume 1 is equal to 1/3 pi into 1/3 pi r squared into 24h. 8. That is 8 pi r squared. Okay, this is volume. What is volume 2 is equal to pi r squared into h2. H2. Now both are equal. V1 equal to V2. I told you, no, this only we will always be doing. So 8 pi r squared is equal to h2 into pi r squared. Cancel pi r squared, cancel pi r squared, h2 is equal to 8 centimeter. Very simple. Height of the cylinder is 8 centimeter. Okay. I'm going to paste. You understood this, no?
Yes, sir.
Very simple. The key thing is you equate volume 1 to volume 2, find volume 1, find volume 2, and equate it, and then immediately you will get the missing element, you can find it out. All other things you will know, only missing thing you don't know. Okay, here what you don't know, only H2 you don't know, everything else is known. So he's given data, no? This radius is equal to this radius is given. So you can cancel it out. Like that, they will give something or other. Example 7.30. Now let us do example 7.31. A right circular cylindrical container. Okay, base radius 6 centimeter. Height 15 centimeter. Okay, it's full of ice cream. So volume 1 is equal to is full of ice cream. Pi r squared h. Sorry, yeah, pi r squared h. That is equal to pi into 6 into 6 into 15. This is one. Then the ice cream is to be filled in cones of height 9 centimeter. And base radius 3 centimeter. Okay. Having a hemispherical cap, that means like this. So this also is equal to 3 centimeter. So here you have to calculate two volumes, volume 1 plus volume 2 or volume 2 plus volume 3. Okay. So this is 1/3 pi r squared h. This is 2 pi r squared 2/3 pi r cube. Correct? Huh? So what you have to do, pi r squared is common, you take it out. 1/3 h by 3 plus r. Understand? In this thing and in this thing, pi r squared is common. So you need not write 2/3 pi r squared into r plus 1/3 pi r squared h. In fact, 3 also is common. Okay, so you can take that off. So 2h plus r only you will get. So you can take that. Now what you have to do, pi by 3 r squared, sorry, 2/3, this is h, this is 2r, correct? 2 into 1/3 r squared into r. So 2r you take off separately, and then it's 1/3 pi r squared, 1/3 pi r squared. Yes, 2r plus h. Very simple. Now what you have to do, 22 by 7 into divided by 3. What is r for here? R is also 3 into 3. 2 into 3 plus h is how much? 9. 3 and 3 cancel. 22 into 3 is 66. So 66 by 7 into 2 into 3 is 6 plus 9. That is equal to 66 by 7 into 9 plus 6, how much? 15. So 66 into 15. Okay, let us keep it like that. Now what we have done, this is equal to volume 2. It is cast into so many cones. Now what is asking? How many cones? volume 1 divided by volume 2 is equal to how many cones? That is equal to this one. Volume 1 is this one. 5 into 6 into 6 into 15 divided by volume 2 is equal to let us say 6 into 11 into 15. This 7, bottom 7 will go in the top. Okay, 66 is equal to 6 into 11 by 7. Okay, 6 to 11 by 15. So, what you can do, this can become 22 by 7. So, 7 and 7 cancel, 2 and 2 cancel, 6 and 6 cancel, 15 and 15 cancel, 2 into 6 equal to 12. So 12 cone ice creams you will get. That is the answer. Okay. Very simple sum this also. Only thing is the cone is having a hemisphere on top, like usual cone ice cream. So you have to calculate both together. So what you should not do is now let me take this and put it. You understood, no? So much ice cream is there in this one. So much ice cream is there in this cylinder. Then each of that is made, put into small cones. You take and put it. So 12 cone ice cream you get totally. Got it? Kaushik, are you there? Hello, Kaushik. You're not there? What happened, Kaushik? Kaushik? What happened? You went out. Why you suddenly left, man? What happened, Kaushik? Can you speak?
Sir.
What happened?
Yes, sir. Sir, got
Suddenly you left where you were doing the thing.
It got out and came in, sir. I don't know what happened, sir. Just now.
Where you left? You saw the whole sum or you didn't see? You saw the sum, no?
It now only gone and came, sir.
Okay, so you finished the
Just now.
sum. No need to discuss it again. Then we'll go to the next sum. Anyway, I put that in any, if you have any doubt, you can take that. Now let us
Okay,
go
sir.
for, let's say 7.4. We'll do 2 or 3 sums. Remainder of the sums you can do for homework.
Okay, sir.
340 to 20, 18 minutes we have. Let us do at least two or three sums. 3 sums we'll do. Then you can do 3 sums for homework. 7.5 very easy. You can do. An aluminum sphere of radius 12 centimeter. So there is a sphere. Okay, so you got one sphere. Radius is 12 centimeter. So this side also 12 centimeter. Okay. It is melted to make a cylinder of radius 1 is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay. Find the height of the cylinder. H is equal to 1. That's all you want to find out. Okay. First you find volume 1, then you find volume 2, then volume 1 equal to volume 2, then immediately you can get H. Okay. Volume 1 is equal to how much? This is exercise 7.4, first sum. Volume 1 is equal to, volume of a sphere is how much? How much? Oshik,
Sir,
volume of a sphere is, what is the formula?
volume of a spheres.
Uh,
Volume of a sphere.
you're still thinking. By now you
Sir,
should know all
4,
this by
sir,
heart.
sir. 4 divided by 3 pi r cube.
4/3 pi r cube, correct. So 4/3 into pi into 12 into 12 into 12. Okay, this is 1. Now it is cast into a cylinder. Here, what is the volume?
Volume of a
Cylinder.
pi r square h cube.
Pi r square h. Okay. Here pi into r is equal to 8 into 8 into h2. Let's say this is h2. Both are equal now. V1 equal to V2. Because this sphere only is made into the cylinder, right? Okay. So 4/3 pi into 12 into 12 into 12 is equal to pi into 8 into 8 into h2. Cancel this pi and pi. Okay. Then 12 into 12 into 12 is equal to divided by 8 into 8. 4 into 3. Bring both this 8 is equal to h2. That's all. Okay. So what you have to do? 3 will go in 12 how many times? 4 times. Okay. This 4 will go 2 times. This 4 will go 2 times. Okay. So denominator equal to 4. 12 into 12 is 144. How much is 144 by 4? In 14 it will go 3 times. Correct? 12. 3 times. Remaining to 24 it will go 6 times. 36. So answer is H2 is equal to 36. Very simple sum. All right.
Okay, sir.
Most important step is this one only. V1 equal to V2. That's all. Once you get that, everything is there. Calculate V1. Whatever is available, you keep it. In V1, everything is known. In V2, you don't know H2 only. That's what you can easily get. You put 1 is equal to 2. Here you got, then H2 only alone unknown. Everything else you bring to one side and calculate, you get H2 is 32. That's all. Very simple. Okay. I'm going to post this. Let us do next sum. Next sum we have to do is second sum. This is interesting sum. Water is flowing through at the rate of 15 km/h through a pipe of diameter 14 centimeter. Okay. Cylinder. What is the diameter? 14 centimeter. That means radius equal to 7 centimeter. What is the height of the cylinder? That is what you'll have to calculate. Okay. How to calculate? It is going at a rate of 15 km/h. 15 kilometer into 1000. Then you will get 15,000 meter. Okay. Now you want centimeter. 15,000 into 100 centimeter, because each 15,000 meter into 100 centimeter is equal to 15 lakh centimeter. This is the height. It is what? 15 lakh centimeter. Okay, so much volume. Find the time in which the level of water in the tanks will rise by 21 centimeter. See, it is having a rectangular tank. Okay, he's telling 50 meter long. Breadth is 44 meter and height is 21 centimeter. Okay, now this is a cuboid. How you find the volume of a cuboid? L into B into H, but everything must be in the same units. This is 9th standard stuff. Okay, 9th standard stuff. L is 50. How much? L is 50 meter. 50 into 100 centimeter. To B is 44 again into 100 centimeter because it's meter into 21 centimeter. This is centimeter only, so you don't multiply by anything. That is 50 into 44 into 100 into 100 into 21. This is volume 2. Now, what you have found out is, what is the volume of the cylinder? Volume 1 is pi r squared into h. That is pi into 7 into 7 into 15 lakhs. Okay, this is volume 1 is equal to volume 2. That means 7 into 7 into 15 into 100 into 1000. Okay, is equal to pi into is equal to 21 into 40, 50 into 44 into 100 into 100. Cancel, 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 cancel. All right. No. This is 1000. That means it will become 10. Okay. 7 will go in this 3 times. 7 will go in this 3 times. So what you have to find out now? No, you should not equate volume to volume. Sorry. What he's asking is, find the time in which the level of water in the tanks will rise by 21 centimeter. So you are supposed to find the time. Centimeter. Okay. So in 1 hour, so much water is flowing. Okay. To get to so much water, how much time? How much time it takes? Okay. That means we have to do volume of tank divided by volume through pipe per hour. Okay. That means 21 into 50 into 44 into 100 into 100 divided by 22. 7 will come here. Okay, 22 by 7. This 7 will go here. Into 7 into 7 into 15 into 100 into 100 into 10. I'm writing like that. 100, 100 gone, 100, 100 gone. Okay. This 7 and this 7 gone. This is not there. 21 will go 3 times in 7. That also gone. Okay. This will go 5 times. This will go 3 times. Okay. So this 10 and this 10 also gone. What is remaining is 3 into 44 divided by 22 into 3. 3 and 3 also gone. 22 will go by 42. 2. That is equal to 2 hours. What is the time taken? Time taken is 2 hours. Okay, you understand? Why we are doing volume of the tank by volume through pipe is, volume of the tank, that is what so much has filled up. Okay, you left it on, the pipe was left on for 2 hours. That is why it got so much water inside it. But through the pipe, the water is flowing at the rate of pi r squared h. This is a rate, pi r squared h per hour, centimeter cubed per hour. So this is centimeter cubed. So centimeter cubed by pi r squared, centimeter cubed per hour. Okay, centimeter cubed by centimeter cubed per hour. This will cancel off. This hour will go on top. So you are getting the unit hour. So here also 2 hours. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So volume of the tank, amount of water in the tank divided by how much goes through the pipe will give you an amount of hours. Okay, very simple sum this also. Very interesting. This comes, do it carefully. Divide volume of the tank by volume of the water flowing through the pipe. That's all. Let us do one more sum. We have 5 more minutes.
That's good.
Next sum is a conical flask is full of water. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The flask has base radius r and height h. Okay.
Okay.
Base radius is r and height is h. Full of water. This water, this is volume 1. How much is this? 1/3. Correct. Volume
Yes,
1.
sir.
This water is poured into a cylindrical flask of base radius xr. Okay, height is unknown. Find the height of the water in the cylindrical flask. This volume is equal to this volume. What is the volume of cylinder? Pi r squared h. Here r is xr, pi into xr squared into h. That is equal to pi into x squared into r squared h. This is volume 2. Now volume 1 equal to volume 2. 1/3 pi into r squared into h is equal to this is h1. This is h2 into h1. Okay, is equal to pi into x squared into r squared into h. R squared cancel, r squared cancel. Pi cancel, pi cancel. Okay, h1 by 3 is equal to x squared into h2. He's asking what is h2. So you bring x squared here. h1 by 3x squared is equal to h2. That's all. We don't have the numbers, no calculation. Only according to formula you have to find it. Okay, very simple sum. If they had given a h value is something, then you would have calculated what is h2. Okay, x also they didn't give, so you cannot calculate. You just have to leave it like that. That is a sum. I'll put this also. This is very easy. If this comes also, please attempt. Very easy. We have 1 minute. Let us try one sum. Fourth sum. Let us try fourth. This fellow started. I don't know what happened. We'll do just one more sum. Other sums you do for homework and come. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Monday, today, Monday, Wednesday, we will do exercise 7.5, and with Wednesday, we'll finish mensuration. Next chapter onwards, you have to move fast.
Okay, sir.
So, a solid right circular cone of diameter 14 centimeter and height 8 meters melted to form a hollow sphere. Okay. A solid right circular cone. Height, diameter is 14, that means radius is 7 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. Volume 1 is equal to 1/3 pi into 7 into 7 into 8. 1. Okay. It is melted into a form of hollow sphere. Hollow sphere. Okay. External diameter of the sphere is 10 centimeter. External diameter is 10 centimeter means external radius is 5 centimeter. Find the internal diameter. What you have to find? Find small r. Okay, small r. Then you can find small r into 2 will give you internal diameter. Okay. Now, volume 2 is equal to 4/3 pi into r cubed minus r cubed. Correct. So this is volume 2. That is equal to 4/3 pi into, we know r cubed, 125, 5 cubed minus r cubed. Okay. That is equal to volume 2. Now V1 equal to V2. That means 1/3 pi into 7 into 7 into 8 is equal to 4/3 pi into 125 minus r cubed. Cancel pi and pi. Cancel 3 and 3. That means 7 into 7 into 8 is equal to 4 into 125 minus r cubed. Okay, bring the 4 here. 7 into 7 into 8 by 4 is equal to 125 minus r cubed. This becomes 2. 7 into 7, 49. 49 into 2, 98. 98 is equal to 125 minus r cubed. Okay. Now take r cubed this side, take 98 this side. R cubed is equal to 125 minus 98. 98 minus 125 is 98, 108, 18, 27. That is equal to 27. R cubed is equal to 27. Therefore, R is equal to 3. Therefore, diameter is equal to twice 3. 6. That's all. Huh? Diameter is equal to 6. Very simple sum. Okay. You finish that. So 4 sums you finished. There are 4 more sums. You try to do all the 4 sums and come for homework. Okay. What we'll do, we'll take up exercise 7.5, some sums and do, and then we'll start trigonometry or some other thing next week. Okay. We went very slow. We should not go this slow for the other, what do you call it? Other topics. You have to go double speed. All right. Okay. Thank you. Very good. Good session. Good homework also you did. Thank you very much.